Today I'm going to unbox and review my new Russell Hobbs rice cooker. Some of you may have seen me unbox and review the large capacity Cosori rice cooker. I've decided to buy a smaller rice cooker so I can cook just 1 or 2 portions of rice in half the time. In just 20 minutes I made the most delicious fluffy sweet rice. I will show you how I made these in the tutorial in this video. But before that, let's unbox this rice cooker together. So as stated at the front of the box, we have up to a 3-year guarantee. So this rice cooker also comes with a steam basket where you can steam your vegetables. We also have an auto keep warm feature so you can keep your rice warm after it's been cooked. So it looks like this rice cooker is capable of cooking up to 6 portions of rice. So before opening it, I'm just going to turn the box around and see what other features we have. So even though this is a small rice cooker, it can still make family-sized meals. All of the accessories, including the stainless steel bowl, is dishwasher safe, and it also comes with a glass lid for easy cleanup. We also have 2 light indicators right at the front to show us when the rice is cooking and when the rice is just keeping warm. And now looking at the other side of the box, it looks like there's some more features. So we have a measuring cup and a spoon included. On both sides of the rice cooker we have got a convenient lid holder. And it looks like this is not just a rice cooker, it's also a steamer which allows you to prepare a variety of foods such as risotto, sushi, vegetables and quinoa. Okay, so I'm now going to open this to see what it looks like. So first up, like every appliance, we have a user manual. On the first page we have some important safeguards and also some information about the accessories it comes with. We then have a whole lot of information about cooking times and also maintenance. So here we have a glass lid. I love the fact that it's see-through so we can see the food that's cooking inside. So it comes with the measuring cup to measure the rice. So next we have the steam basket and the stainless steel bowl. It looks like the steam basket is a decent size so you can get a handful of vegetables in there. The stainless steel main bowl where the rice is cooked also looks like it is a really good size. It looks like it can cook up to 4 portions of rice. The cable for this appliance looks like it's fairly long. So let's just have a closer look of the inside and the outside of this rice cooker. I'm just going to put a cereal box right next to the rice cooker so you can see how big it really is. I know sometimes in videos the rice cookers look really big, but this one is less than half the size of the Cosori rice cooker, so I'll show you that by using the cereal box. Now I'm just going to see how well the accessories fit into the rice cooker. Now that I've done unboxing, I'm going to put this to a test. So I've moved to the kitchen and I've switched the button on at the back of the rice cooker. Before using this rice cooker, I made sure I washed all of the accessories really well. It is the first time I'm using this rice cooker and I've decided to make sweet rice. I'm going to start by putting a little bit of butter in the stainless steel bowl. For those of you who have not seen sweet rice before, it is a traditional Pakistani dessert. It's usually done in 2 parts. Usually we boil the rice first and then we make this butter and sugar mixture. but today I'm going to attempt to make it all in one go and see how it turns out. So I'm going to put all of the ingredients in here at once. All of the ingredients I've used today are in the description below. I soak the rice for 20 minutes in water before I put them into the rice cooker. This is completely optional. I've always just soaked my rice before cooking them, so I thought I'll do that today as well. I gave all them ingredients a really good mix and then I put the lid on. So I was surprised how easy this is to use, so all I did was flick the switch down. The red indicator light has now come on to show that the rice are cooking. As soon as the rice have finished cooking, the yellow indicator will show. And just in case you're not around when they finish, the yellow indicator shows that the rice is just keeping warm while you're away. So it took around 20 minutes for the red light to be switched on. The yellow light switched on straight away, which means the rice is cooked. And in just 20 minutes we had these delicious, sweet, fluffy rice. I can see that the rice are fully cooked through and they are not broken. I'm really pleased with how these rice turned out. My family loved them. I really can't see myself making rice any other way from now on. The Russell Hobbs medium rice cooker is a winner for me.